Hi all, in this video I will show you how to extract the column name of a table and then extract the data table and put under the column name. In order to do this, you need to update your Power Automate desktop to at least the February 2022 version. My name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. So the first step to do this is you extract your tables from the PDF. Put the link to your PDF, pages to extract, the page that you want to extract. Then enable merge tables at cross page margins, and then enable first line contains column names. Then you launch Excel with blank document, make instance visible. Then you write to Excel worksheet. Excel instance is Excel instance. Then you write your column header value. So it's extract PDF %, extract PDF tables. Then this is your table number dot data table dot column headers row. So I want to show you how you know which table number that you want to extract. You have to, once you extract the table, you can actually go to extracted PDF table, click on the triple dot, go view, right? Then this is the list of tables that are in the PDF. So select, just remember which index, which table you want and the index number. So if you don't know which table to select, just click on more. Then in the data table property, you can see the number of rows and columns. Then you click on more again. You can see the details in the table, right? You can actually see also the second table, right? This is the second table. You can enlarge it, right? This is the second table. So second table is number 1 index. First table is index number 0, right? So for this instance, I am going to get the first table, which will be index number 0. If you want to extract multiple files, multiple tables, you can watch my my other video. I will put a link below in the description. So once you put the value to right with the column headers row. This column headers row is also a new thing for 2000 and February 2022 version, right? Write mode is on currently active cell. Then you use get first free row on column from Excel worksheet, Excel instance. Column is 1, and then variables produced as first free row on column. So it will go to the you will get the row number of the first free row, so which is the next row after the column header. So now then next you use write to Excel worksheet. Excel instance is Excel instance. Value to write is n% extracted PDF tables, open bracket 0, close bracket, dot data table, n%. So you can see now I don't put dot column header because I am just going to extract the data table, and put it under the column name. Write mode on specific cell, on specified cell, column is 1, right? Then row is first free row on column. If I can go back up, right? Go to advanced. These merge tables that cross page margin is also new thing for February 2022 Microsoft Power Automate version. So if your table goes across a few pages with the same column name, it will merge the tables together. So I'm going to close my PDF and Excel file so that I'm going to run this quickly. There you go. You can see it has extracted the column header and then put the data table below the column name. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions or need help with Power Automate Desktop, please put in the comment below and I will try my best to create a video for you to answer your questions. If you like this video, please give it a like and please remember to subscribe. If you want to tip me, you can use the link, the PayPal link in the description below. Okay, hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.